Hi there, my name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through a strategy video. So you may have watched the other strategy videos. We did one on the extreme zone strategy, and we did one on our banker cross-pair trading strategy. Well, this particular video is going to be on our end of day trading strategy, which I know will perk up a lot of your ears, especially if you're working full time and you're doing your 9 to 5 office job, or you're working hard in the day and you don't have time to trade. Obviously in the evening after you come back from dinner and you've relaxed, you want to set your computer up and look at the charts. Well, in this particular strategy we're going to be discussing about how it's done, how it's traded, what we're looking for on our system to give us the indication to take the trade, what type of stop loss and take profits that we'd be using, and to see if it would be something that would be useful for yourselves. Now I'm going to take you to our trading system. Before I do that, I want to show you the members area. The members area is also for clients access, where we provide you with fundamental analysis, technical analysis, trading opportunities, trading understanding and methodology, and individual currency pair analysis. Now in addition to this is where we have our system, and this is where we're going to be looking at those trades. Okay, so the first trade that triggered in was just here on the 1st of August on the AUD USD. This is an example of an end of day trade that you would take on the system. So if I insert a little shape into here, get a rectangle and show you exactly where it triggered in, it was just in there. Okay, so we can see it triggered around 8 o'clock in the evening, 8 o'clock in the evening, and in the end reversed in excess of 20 pips. Now end of day trades is any indications of taking a trade after 6:30 p.m. So after 6:30, you can see all these zones, they are producing buy and sell zones. Okay, now what we do is we trade the zones, the buy and sell zones after 6:30 that trigger in. This is for the end of day strategy. Okay, so we can see in here we have the AUD USD. It triggered in on the buy zone after 6:30 p.m. So this would then be taken. Your stop loss would be 20 pips, and your take profit would also be 20 pips. Okay, so it's a one-to-one on these types of trades. Very, very simple to take as well, because the system actually indicates to you when the zones trigger. A notification box pops up, and it also pings on your computer to let you know when a zone is triggered. So you just literally need to leave this system running on your computer, leave the speakers turned on. You can be in the other room or you can be doing something else. If you hear that ping at you, then you come across and have a look what might have triggered in, and then make your decision to enter into the market. Another one that we had was on the NZD USD. This was on the 19th of August. Again, I'm going to insert a little shape into here to show you where that triggered, and that was just in here. Okay, so you can see triggered in again a little bit later on in the day, again around 8 o'clock in the evening. You can see market comes down, easily hits target in excess of 20 pips there. And last but not least, we have our dollar CAD, another example of an end of day trade. And this dollar CAD trade was on the 19th again, same as the Kiwi. So if we take a look at this dollar CAD, we can see later in the day we see the sell zone just in here, hits the sell zone. This was a little bit later, about 8-9 o'clock in the evening. You can see hits this sell zone, reverses in excess again of 20 pips. So it's a really, really simple strategy. All you have to do is really have the system open in front of you and have a look when these zones are triggering in later in the day. You'll probably be able to see a lot more examples on there on the screen, but I just wanted to show you a few because obviously I don't want to take up too much of your time on this video. But one thing I wanted to say is if you're interested in this type of strategy and earning, pretty easy pips, actually easy profit in the evenings for not doing much work at all, we're actually providing free demonstrations on this strategy. The way to access those demonstrations is you pop onto our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You fill in your details for a free consultation here. You can either do that on the home page or by clicking on the top right there. We'll then be in touch with you. We'll screen share. We can do that via Skype or other screen sharing options. We'll show you the strategies live. That way you get an understanding of how you use them yourself, and to see if it's going to fit around, your daily activities, which it should do. After 6:30, you're probably going to be coming home from a hard day work, and you want to be making some easy profits. So look, I just want to say thank you very much for watching today's strategy video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do have any questions for us, please don't hesitate to get in touch, either through our website or through emailing us. But thank you very much. Really appreciate it.